friends, it's me Stace. For today's video, we're going to be using the Cricut to make this really cute coffee cup gift card holder. So this slides out, gift card goes in. Great to give to a friend or a coworker. Let's go to the computer and we'll get started. All right, here we are at the computer. I'm already inside at Cricut Design Space. So right below where it says Collections to Explore, go to the far right and you will see a little arrow pop up. Click on the arrow until we get to the Thank You category. I'm going to click on that category there, and you'll see it brings up thank you cards as well as thank you gifts. Again, you want to go to the far right. You'll see that same arrow pop up. Click on that to scroll through. You'll see there's a few gift card holders. We have a coffee cup one, there's a floral one, there's also a pencil, and also a crayon. I'm going to go back and choose the coffee cup one. So again, click on the coffee cup gift card holder. It's going to bring up a preview window. Very bottom, click on where it says Customize. I'm not changing anything here. I do want to change colors, but as far as the sizes, I'm leaving everything the way it is because it's going to fit a gift card holder. So it does come and group together. I'm going to right click on it and choose Ungroup. So we have the white piece here, which is our main pocket. Then we have the white piece here that our greeting will get drawn onto. This black piece is the insert that's going to attach our gift card to that. Then we have the two brown pieces here. They'll go on the front and back of the sleeve. Then we have these two pieces here. So if I go back up top and click on where it says Coffee Cup Gift Card Holder, it'll bring up that same preview, and we can see here that is the color gray. I want to try to minimize my mats because right now if I go and click on Make, I'm not going to save my project. You'll see it's going to use 4 mats. I'm going to take that from 4 mats to 2. Let's go back and choose Cancel. So these two pieces here, I'm actually going to highlight both of those and make them be white. So highlight both of them, go to the very top toolbar next to Operation. You'll see that color box. Click on that. The top row here represents the colors that you're currently using. So I'm going to go and click on white. So now we have these two pieces are white. Then these two pieces here, I'm actually going to highlight everything right there, all the black. You'll see it brings up a question mark. Go ahead and click on that again and then just change it to a black color. All right, let's go to choose Make It. So now we went from 4 mats to 2. So we have our first mat here, that's our white pocket, the white for the greeting. These two pieces here, I'm going to highlight both of those and then bring them down to the bottom right-hand corner. This way I can load white here and just put a piece of brown scrap cardstock there. Then we have mat 2, the same thing. The black is for the gift card holder. And then we're going to come down and bring these two pieces to the lower right, and we'll just put a piece of brown cardstock there. Let's go back to mat 1. So you can see here it tells us our order is going to first score, then it's going to use the pen, then it'll cut it out. So I'll be using the scoring stylus, so that's going to score on the score marks or the dashed lines here. Then the pen is going to draw out the word thank you. And I'll show you all that on the machine. All right, bottom right hand corner, click on Continue. Give it a second to find my machine, and then we'll choose our material, and then we'll go to the machine and I'll show it to you scoring and drawing and then cutting it out. All right, so the machine or the material I'm using is just cardstock, so I'm going to choose that. And I always do change my pressure, and I always go to more pressure. Then we have our tools and materials. So you can see by default it's going to be using the scoring wheel. I'm not using that, so I'm going to go and choose Edit Tools, and I'm going to change that. I'm going to choose the scoring stylus. That's what I'll be using, and choose Apply. I'm going to go ahead and load my paper, and we'll start designing our gift card holder. All right, here we are at the Cricut. I do have you zoomed in. I'm just going to move this carriage over a little bit, open the clamp here on the left one, and insert our scoring stylus. Push that in. And now we're going to go and load our paper, our mat. And what I'm going to do when it does the scoring process, I'm actually going to hold that down. I find it gets a better score that way. So I'm going to wait for it to blink at us. All right, going to choose, click on the blink. So it's first going to score first. So when it goes down, I'm just going to push it down a little bit farther. It just gives us a better score mark that way. All right, we're done with that. Open this clamp back up. Take that out. Now you want to put your fine pen in. I'm just using a black one. Put that in, and then go ahead and hit go. And now it's going to draw out the word thank you for us. All right, that's all done. Leave the pen in there. Now it's going to go ahead and cut our pieces out for us. All right, it is all done. I'm going to unload this mat, take out my pen first. I'm going to unload this mat, load my second mat, cut that out. We'll go to the table and we'll put the gift card holder together. All right, we are back. All of our pieces cut out. So we have the sleeve, the part that our gift card goes into. Then we have the front, the back, our little bands, and also our greeting. So we're going to start with folding this on those score marks. I'm going to take my bone folder and just give that a good crease there. And the ones on the side are kind of small. So I'm just going to kind of finger press them first. And then we'll go back in and press them with our bone folder. Okay. So that is our sleeve that this is going to slide into. So we're going to go ahead and take this. We're going to put some glue on it. I am using art glitter glue, but I do have it in this fine bottle. We're going to put some glue on these flaps here. And you want to try to have your glue go edge to edge. Okay, so I have that one. Let's do this one here. I really like these simple projects. You know, this is just great to have, you know, cut out a few. It was super easy to do. You've seen that. Doesn't use a whole lot of cardstock either. Just to have on hand for just quick gifts. All right, we're going to just get that glue down there. All right, so there's our pocket. All right, we're going to leave that. Oh, we'll do that now. Let's take our gray bands. I think I'm going to use the wet glue. I was going to use my advanced tape glider, but I already have the wet glue out, so might as well use it. And that's going to go right here. You can see where that goes. Okay, do the other side. I think this would be really nice to hand out to a friend with maybe like a good book or a book that she's been wanting to read, or he, for that matter, with a coffee gift card. They can just take it to the coffee house of their choice, or your choice with the gift card, and then they can read a good book while they're drinking their coffee. All right, so we can see here we have these little indents. That's where this is going to go. And for that, I'm going to use my ATG, just a little bit faster. Take that, just kind of line it up on that little indent part right there, on both. I'm going to flip it over. I can see where they are here, so I'm going to do it on the same on this side. Now you can see this is double-sided. If you wanted to, you can cut out two of these greetings, so you have one on both sides. That is my hubby calling, so I apologize if you hear the phone ringing. All right, so there really is no front or back. Whatever side you like better. All right, this part though, I'm going to pop it up. And then there are some foam squares. I have these little itty bitty ones. I'm going to use 5. Okay, and then I'm going to give them a good squish. Then take the backings off. I do find it helpful if you squish them first, then the backings come up a little bit easier. And I have this stamp from Mamie Made It called, I think it's called Cup of Cup. It's got like little coffee beans. You can always come down here and stamp a few or stamp the back. All right, and that's going to go right to there. Super easy, right? And then this It's just a blank credit card. You can see there's little slide outs here, or little cutouts. Go ahead and put that in there like that. And then we're going to put that in here like that. How cute is that? Right, and it went together so easy. I love how easy it is, so it's not a tight fit at all. Very, very cute, right? You can do a to and from on the back. Like I said, give it to a friend for their favorite coffee shop. Put the gift card in there, give them a good book, and I think it makes a really great gift. Or just to have on hand for just gifts, you know, for anybody else. All right, my friends, there you have it, a super simple coffee gift card holder. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.